In a major political and social development, hundreds of activists and supporters from Tripura Students Federation staged a massive sit-in demonstration in the capital city's Circuit House area on Wednesday. The protest commenced from 11 a.m. morning as the influential student body raised twin demands regarding TSF backlog employment and Roman script for Kokborok demand. Twipra Students Federation TSF Belaino Kesamkuk Organization Nation Zago Tripura Hasteni Tripura Sa Indigenous Borok ni Khorang ngai bisi kedengma joran simino TSF rok bisi burum no mungsa dal bidal issue tomung no Tripura Sa rokorong bisingo ngai tonghangke abno toi Khorang tisanai sarkar government bis kango tlangi Khorang tisainai dabi sanai abu kaisan organization saimono TSF ni bising te kebangma movement engka hasewo kebangma movement kebangma niya kalau kebangma success bongka demand bomanka oba hakino tini salbrum na hakino bisibrum na hakino tabuk tai waisa taklai bisini o tini ni 24 June ni salom TSF ro kaisa kotor san mongno tei bro tai waisa raja khor aguli ni circuit house bus kango oro highway gano bro protest khailai tonglayo tabni bagi protest khaingangke SC tai SC rok ni kebangma job kebangma sarkari chakri vacant post ngui tongo backlog ngui tongo abo tamo ni sangangkai Tripura Sa tai ST tai SC rok ni government jobs kebangma department no kelaijak abo fill khaijai gya ba a department kebangma department je chakri post tongmani abo sopungja gya kebangma ngangkar tabo besajani 1000 ngui tongkha 10,000 ngui tongkha 20,000 ngui tongkha ba kebangma Tripura Sa rok ni tai STS rong ni job vacant post of backlog kelai tongkha abuno simia tai kaisa sanmung angke tini ni je protest on ting angke Roman script ni dimano tei textbook o Roman script Kokborok word by or dimano khlaijak teng ni taisa tini TSF rok protest khali tonglayo ani inklo no uitonghana gari gora malkhong rok lain tongo aboni gana kinaro kono tini TSF rok sit in protest khali tonglayo abo kono road block ya sit in protest khlaijoi tong fighting ka sang tabu thanglai Ara thangai bongni TSF ni President General Secretary Lukurok bai bosong kok sang sai talok ni han bagai Chini Khorang bai choi nai tongni Addressing media personnel at the demonstration site, top TSF leaders strongly criticized the state government for its alleged failure to fill up essential administrative positions. TSF Vice President John DeBarma pointed out that a massive backlog of vacancies specifically reserved for SC and ST communities has been left completely neglected across various government departments for years. TSF Vice President John DeBarma press meet khai salklama hakin tini jorane bisingono 11 am simi of protest oli tongo pulan sai khana tini je main protest main core demand tab noti khlajagi tong
sini tini je main core demand main na harmung sanmon kabono je STS roni chakri tomni reserve vacancy abo tomni abono special recruitment drive khlai langna bagino sini sanmung tai kaisa ngake jeta Kokborok textbook tagbo Roman script print khajago Bangla bai simi amon bagine same amono hakeno sing Roman script print khlai ni sini tinin sanmung sing member no ya farnai tai sabon sanamu sung je STS reserve tomni abong tai ke benami abo Tripura Sa simi no manthai tai SC simi no manthai sakri amage abono special babet lang ni sini sanmung
सरकार तामनि बागै ओ vacant post ong fill khaya angui tong tomung no mo haida angui man je applicants kom yang kheto educated to gunga tong unemployed to asing raise gobang rate bangui tong haipono se asake unemployment rate gobang educated person tongphano deserving candidate tongphano tamni bago of vacant post fill khaije angui tong oboni reason tam angui man
abono nadi backlog result to tabuk suppose 2013 sa lang ka current year suppose maybe 2013 lang ka recruitment year judi 2013 recruitment year ang ka maybe apro dozen apono supungjak liya bika as lang puru Kokborok first attempt second attempt clear second attempt claim mani pore sa backlog ngu inu suluka Tripura illegal babe sa lango je second attempt clear manu yakun ja apono kintu second attempt clear dan dorgar usit kintu abor tabor backlog thangka kintu backlog mani pore backlog no borok sakri tu tlang khang kan nugi tlang mani am bagino tabuk sakri bot tlang jen bai borok koma unemployed sakri goma tongo educated goma manai borok tongo bika abon bagino sakri no tlang ni sin sanmong tambai ke goma sikla tabuk lekha pora ganang ba phaigesin borok tongo juri ya ka sing obo bai palai ma khainai relaxation bo mar nai ma khainai relaxation ba bon sin demand tong nai tambagi ga ke sing nugo je goma tak sikla tongo apply khlainang to amagino special babe khlai to honin sin sanmu
hasteo sung nugui mane tongo STS backlog no karibo yango tet jera tet qualified dong no bahaino bong no recruitment lang jagya school na khanke teacher kom student gobang khorang khorni bai teacher bai school run ingui tongo o bahai mangpli rok sung haste ganang nugui tongo haipono haste government bo jora joro special recruitment drive talangi bo tongo onyo department ni onyo vacant post ni bagai bahai ma tong bos state government obo aware da tong borok je o vacant post ingui tong mane abono karipor tamni bagai ma ke extra ke recruitment lang jagui tong na
na state government sianya borok karan borok nai tong na baksa siadan semia kenu sung zenuka special recruitment drive ni khlai tong mani baksa borok je khaimani abang ka totally STS sirong no thokok mani borok sungke songo je chakri tlang tong state government chakri tlang hunai kintu nini asol odikar manthai jada odiri khati jak STBSC abono ka tlang yang tong abono no divert khlai toni ru sarkar karon main nahar sini nahar mong na abono obono reservation jada tong mani khati jak abono tlang nang tung borok sungnuka sungabon divert khlai nayom sung sakri tlang oni puno nayu special recruitment drive kayoni nai kintu STS hironi bai simise tlang ni hinu sung karon o sakri khati jara nang bufru tlang nayo jada backlog no tlang jai ka maganang than payu sini ambai tlang na ning thong ni sini sanmung karon sung siu sarkarok chalak borok tam khai sungnuka sakri tlang thingno ono sungnuka special police rohun tlangu ba special executive police department lamani kintu police department o simuse 2000 upor chakri tongo tiprasani khatijak backlog kintu tlangya kintu oro sungsabe sarkar tamo bongni naharmong abono je sungabano bujiwo je STBS sironi jeta odigar tomani সংবিধান odigar tomani abono borok suno riyang tong abono sung nihuli tong clearly
roman script ni dimano sana naike san thangangke bu belaino gedegma jorani simi bisi kolongma jorani simi o dimano sanai phaileban Tripura solupuro especially TSF ni khorang je purpurono roman script no tei gange bas kamu bas jang tongo obno tei tini tei wese roman script no je diman sanai mai thangnayo bo je exam ro ungui thangai tongo ba ungui tongo aro jaga bo student wana laijak tomung no roman script by textbook but seije ge angke question paper seije ge bahage sing exam do nai nei tabu bo government om bo isino seriously nai tam tong tongini amno
nade abono amno korongno sanabu suko je sungsiwo sungo te andron khaimani baluka sansuka sungnui tong je Tripura sora busuk english medium pornai bisiba bor bus jungjalok laitong jara english medium pornai tem jungjalok laijak karon kothin porinani kothin jak tong ani bagi sini samong abono oinai je Kokborok text bono roman script by print khainang tung sung amo reminder sin nai tini tamai sung already agibo sajak menonam ya parjak dini khani sung muitu khlai ripinai je sini o sanmong no supungnani bagai sung khani tini remind kharipinai
tini no protest koite jaro tongnai tai protest tai man yaklo tamu samungya prisina nai to
dari tini ni sini protest tinta jorang nai abon pore sung memorandum ya parnai protest pain sung memorandum ya parnai but pai mani pore ponom abon yaklo sung tini ya ono dino sung district 8 district tongo 8 district sung berai nai yo sini andolono tino dabino tinai sung banner khawai no gari o banner khawni sung berai nai prosar khlainai sin borok sinangtung o sin dabino sani sung dam office thangai o saini sung andolon khlainai jithiranai
belai hambai
Alongside the employment issue, the TSF strongly revived its decades-old linguistic demand regarding the indigenous Kokborok language. TSF GS Hamulu Jamatia reiterated that textbooks and academic study materials for Kokborok should be officially published using the Roman script.
Fai tabuk youth rock ni youth icon hai ke TSF ni belaino khorang kra ke basajak sob samunya abo sung Simon Osabo ke TSF ni general secretary Hamulu Jamatia bobai botai bisa sung kok salai pinai tini no o jebong ni court protest tam noti khlajagi tong batam tam no san mung tui nei tam message hana nai tong bor aboti Simon pulen sai kana di tini ni je main demand main protest tam noti khlajagi tong
Chini tini ni je demand to ST backlog noti no Jung TSF omono kaha ke study khaika je ST backlog kabang post tongu boni bagai jung tini TSF ni ngai jung oro chini ST backlog no jung chini first movement jung jengjagai tongu jung appeal khaika not only student but youths ang tewisa boron appeal khainai tani homale jotone educated ang as detail saga hanga kabang ma abo but ST backlog mane chini je borok rok sakri vacancy tong pano roja yang tong man very clear so sung youth ni bagai sung movement khai tong youth ni bagai si nerong nai kan ke students rok they are only tahunai class 6 7 4 tong borok si busi tong so tani chini youth si busi ab borong ma busi nai tani hamale borok tak sakri nai ko na and as an organization sung to demand khaya jobs for ourselves but chini youth rong ni bagai sung demand khai tong so ang tini borong ron nuga musumal hapan nuglia kha ke bos kan salo nugnai and borong nang appeal khainai o movement no jointly participate khagani ba
tomung no STS ni backlog ba vacancy tongu chakri ni bagai ngkai thane bo chung nugui man different departments o recruitment lang jagai tongu tam ni bagai government puila aj vacancy tongmar no fill khaya woi extra ke tam bagai ketal ke boro post langui tong tet ni bagai bo chung nugui man teachers recruitment job ni bagai nungu man police ni bagai nugui man oba gobama department ni recruitment lang jagai tongu ketal ke ngetang ge sekang puila o je vacant fill tong post tong man fill khaya woi oba ge ketal recruitment lang jagai tong bahai ni response of no tui
nadi chini youth state student amon ma busi nai government of Tripura chini favor oya jung kawang ma chakri nugui tongo thangnai rogobo je criteria tongmani am maintain khaija gya boni bagai jung TSF bar jung interfere khaiga nang so youth rock jung thasa kreni bagai omo government of Tripura chono very lightly nai tongo kabang ma katal recruitment no ta honai borok kelang mani bo for example 200 vacancy post tong khangkhe borok aro 50-50 kena wibre tilang nai tani homale aro je criteria tong mani chini borok kisa mangai thang aro tebo kom mangai thang tani bala why sabai kon ko 200 na khangkhe 200 around 62 5 50 na khangkhe nang nai di ba busu kom mang thang nai so government rok bonus sigo je chini borok sakri rok musu ya you choma ma busnai you may belong to any political organization again nung jaba political party no support khadi but our demand is not for benefiting of political organization chini youth future generation rong ni bai sung fight khai tong so youth rong ma busnai government of Tripura intentionally na borok youth rong no chini indigenous youth rong no borok deprive khayei bahai ke suklog mano tani omale tabok sung joto no nugo aige inke chini borok rok siaring ya ba they are not educated boni bagai kabang ma we was ona suppress khaika but tabok sigo government of Tripura chini youth rok joto no educated bahai ke borong no unemployed kai depression ki khlai mano that is their target so youth ma businai and TSF ready tongu o movement no chung youth ni bagai basagani te chini future generation bai basaga
Roman script ni issue no tui tam ko kasar mung tongai je thanayo job ni bagai stini je protest khayoi tongani ba TBS ni president Gan Chaudhary ba haino sawi tongo je Roman script by no question paper to nai but text by khaigalak text by to sung no gyan bangla bin phayo obno ti haino je asat gdama jora romai demand sanglai tongani tini no protection ti bahai response expect khai tong tabu ko
government of Tripura to naji jung strike bu call khai ka after the government mang sa reaction the thing is jung thasa mang nai as a youth as a student jung jointly jung oro nung u organization ni nung u community ni hoya gai but as a one voice jung movement khai ka definitely jung chini demand manai adc hapang je khajak mani apro to jung kebo salaya je nung u community ni nung u tribe na ke nung u organization ni apro chini voice to mani je yes जों ADC mas sananai जों खायलायका there is our demand ama fulfill bangka when we come जों jointly जों samang खायका angke जों chini ego no side rogoi जों kaisa nahomong yes omo demand nango not only for us but for coming future generation hokangke definitely जों jointly खायगे one platform of fire let it be an organization tak TSF lead khai dong na oro oma TSF se hongo hoya ge you are welcome I say phaidi na ga chung table to khai chung bahai ke movement no chung carry on khainai chung demand place khainai ta so ang appeal khainai especially youths ani appealing ke especially youths tani mali youths are the futures of the state and the country I say when by borok ma busi thai chini oro man script not only TSF oro movement khage success sangla जे ADC जों जोंनि achievement माइ फेमा हाय जों jointly खायगे definitely all movement बो जों jointly खायगे success जों
दिनैनि अ प्रोटेस्ट पाइमनि या गलो बुम हाया प्रेसिना बगा थांगि दं TSF
अमो तो जोंनि first step सि जे जों public नो aware बो खायगा दे गभर्नमेन्ट नो appeal खायमानि so जों तलक जोंनि movement जों step up खायनाय जों बनि परके जों memorandum submit खायनाय but जोंनि process दमो तंनायनो हायपना आन मुसुक नके youth rock नखा थाइक्लायो अरो तिनी क्लास 6 7 फरायनाय बरक बुसिगैसि बरक नखाय थां why youth बरक तमाना किरि हायसि जोंनि रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नतै बसनो कबां मा सागो निरक TSF रक सिरिं खासि there are many case ani mungtै जों किरि खांके जों नगन आसक तंग खाम but we come again जोंनि movement जों carry on खागोन we are continuing the movement हायसि जों stop खाया continue खायो किरि हायसि हायपना जोंनि youth रक आं अमने appeal खायनाय Kiriya bukha karakana chung movement makana then definitely government of Tripura makle is
The organization warned that if the state administration continues to turn a blind eye to these structural issues, they will be compelled to intensify their democratic movement across the state in the coming days.
Finally, TSF ni je protest Chini Khorang ni mangpli ni bising te nugui mangkana oro tabuko sai borok more than hundreds 200s 500s borok only mano abase gabang TSF ni students of different schools ni different institution ni phai tini ni bong ni sitting protest no success khane ni bage phailai jak tamne demand no tei khai tongo tamo core protest bong ni tini tei sang saiman laka TSF ni general secretary tai TSF ni vice president khoktinyo obai mangpli te bo sungno no soye phongan bage sang sai jogoi tongo tai khaksa di te sang saiman ka hatai kotor hai ke bayang champanagar area je bukhago national highway tai rail blockade bo khaijai tongo je insurgents returnees ok tongai rok bong bo separate demand otai oma ke demand tini protest khaijai tongo oba ke na hase ke nangai mungsai issue mungsa government oni failure samung otai nai salbrom no students youths Tripura lokorok lamo faine protest khainani nango nugai mano chung thanai bijorao haino mungsa region dalbidal issue no tai tangai always Tripura lokorok tangai always Tripura student no lamo phai achugoi protest khainanang tamni bagai sarkar ni mistake sarkar ni failure no tai nai students or youth or soroko ongkhore lamo ongkhore protest khainanang oboni response oboni reply no tini TSF ni student no borok sanka sarkar ni thani government ani tangai tini TSF ni student hai ke ba hase ke nangai o tini ni satno hina we jora hami jora o borok ma ke protest khai nami to hunai borok question khagya o bai ma plin sing tini Chini Khorang ni bijing te nai thoi tong kosong lo korona phone bai chai to ui tong ba chai to kha hain ba ka ching te bo mong hai ma plin no phone bai choi we kereng tong no nai tong ni Chini Khorang mang le kereng
Reported by Nelson and Boyer from Agartala, Chini Khorang.